Alright, here we go.
Yeah, good way to end it. Blocking the traffic.
Oh, fuck. We don't know what red lights mean. It's a really cool road, but it's pretty well known for having dirt and shit in it, which really sucks because you gotta pay to get in it. There's a damn toll to get in here. Shit, look at this. We're not on the toll section yet, but still. Buddy in the booth is probably like, wow, this is the most money we're gonna make all summer.
Right, you could have used this. No. Use this to talk to everybody. That's not a good start to a ride. You got the fire department warning you just how shitty the roads are. So yeah, we start the trail by watching a cops and ambulance rip by. Fire department comes back out and says a bike is wrecked in here. It's because all the rain we've had recently has pretty much washed gravel out in every turn. Which is tough on this type of road because this road is so strange to begin with. It looks like it's covered in gravel all the time. So when it actually is covered in gravel, you don't really see it that well. It is gravelly. I can already hear it. And feel it getting kicked up at me. It's still worth your time to take it easy and just cruise through here even. It's a really cool spot. It's probably some of the best views of New Brunswick's coastline you're going to find. Especially pretty much untouched coastline. Like, not too many places in the province where there's just nothing on the coast. Nothing but woods. Empty beaches. The layout of the road is awesome. It's just killer turns everywhere, but the condition of the road is, you know, far from awesome at times. Oh, I wonder if this is it. That's it. This is where the wreck happened. Oof. Shit. Another ST. Having the fire department tell you how crappy the road is and then seeing something like that along the way really takes the wind out of everybody's sails. Everybody's kind of taking it easier, which is probably for the best. %, grade. With sneaky turns. Good ocean views too.
feet to try to feel out the road, just how dirty it is. Like I said, it's very hard to tell. It almost looks partially wet at times too. You gotta admit, you don't expect to see a cool road like this in New Brunswick. I think the last time we came through here, the road ended just about the top of this hill. Yep, there was a pull off right here and the road just ended. So I guess from here on out is where they've done the expansion since I was here. Right through to Fundy with this. I think they're at the point where you can. So that was the main attraction of the fall ride. I guess we're going to stick around for the last little bit here too. Ah, jeez. We'll head back towards St. John with them a little ways, but there's another little side road we can take to head back towards Sussex from there. This is it. This is where we part ways. I think Jake hung back to make sure everybody finds their way. Well, I seem to remember this road being another one of those rough as shit roads, so hope nobody's in a mood for a race. That was a pretty good ride. Got to check out the Fundy Trail again. It's been like, oh god, it's got to be at least 5 years since I did that. Having a bike wrecked in the middle of it was kind of a camper, but still, good time. Alright, we got the whole group back together again anyway. We even picked up a guy from, I think from St. John. He just followed us through here. He wasn't sure which way was home, so we're going to lead him back to Sussex and he can just jump on the highway. Then, of course, we'd have to get directly into the dirt roads. Man, does this ever end? If there's one good thing about it, it's fairly smooth.
Alright, the dirt ended and then the chip seal started, but it doesn't feel much firmer than the dirt. Definitely been a chip seal kind of day. I can almost guarantee that at the time I release this video on YouTube, there's going to be snow on the ground. I can almost guarantee that. So I guess getting to see some riding weather is nice this time of year. Hope you enjoyed it.
Here, I gotta get a look at the end of the day, though. leave a little bit of battery for when I go buy you guys in the feedback. Good for me, William. Yeah, good way to end it. Watching the traffic.